Hello there everyone, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys and girls, today a very important update when it comes to Bitcoin, and it's something crazy, and that's something we've been waiting for so long. And just without any further ado, guys, if you're brand new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make these emergency updates, and also join my free Discord channel. There is a link down in the description of this video to my free Discord channel where we actually post all of our trades right here, so that you can actually see every single trade that we're taking with all the explanations, macro, fundamental, technical, etc., and the actual trade results of our members. I don't know if it's gonna load. Our absolutely, here it is. So absolutely incredible. And I mean, our members are making so much money, it's absolutely crazy. So we've done really well in 2022, and we're thinking to do 3 times as good. Our target is to do 3 times as good, and it's absolutely free to join. All you have to do is just join this VIP section right here, which is really simple. There is a very simple instruction on how to actually do it. So now let's get to the juicy part of this video, shall we? Because there is really a crucial point for Bitcoin at this point right now, and quite frankly, what I'm personally thinking is that well, let us get to what I'm personally thinking. So what we've been waiting for actually is the CPI to actually come out. And yes, I was actually doing some shopping. So, and I'm just right here in my small office. Yeah, well, office in between the offices and stuff, because you know, you guys, that I do a lot more stuff than just crypto. So anyway, right here, we've been waiting for the CPI to actually come out, and the core CPI, previous was 6%. And why this is so huge is because it was 6% so many times before, and we never actually went under 6%. And right now it was forecasted at 5.7, and it came in at 5.7. Why is this so bullish? Is because the main CPI, which is, let me just show it to you right here. So the main CPI, this is what it looks like right here, and this is, you know, we were actually steadily going down from 9.1 all the way to 6.5 right now, and we actually also met the forecast of a huge drop from 7.1 to 6.5. It's one of the hugest drops to date, and certainly we are seeing that, you know, the main this headline and the main CPI has been going down. But the reason why the core one is so important is because that's the one that the Fed actually has control over. Guys and girls, this is so imperative right now, because Fed doesn't have control over things like fuel costs and gas and oil, and this is the reason why, you know, the headline and main CPI was going down. But finally we saw a reduction, a peak, potentially a peak price, a peak inflation in core CPI. So that's why the core CPI finally is going down below 6%, as we were saying right here, 5.7. So this is what is so bullish. However, before you get so happy and excited about this, watch this video from the beginning and until the end, and always watch my videos until the end, because I'm always giving you very juicy content. And call me Mr. Spot on in the comments, because I told you this is going to be very important. So now let's move on to the chart and talk about the chart. And before we do, remember, guys and girls, that if you need an exchange that you can trust yourself, that has proof of reserves, doesn't have any stupid FUD about it, and you can go down into the description of this video and join either Bybit, and which is going to give you up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses, or BitGet. And with BitGet, if you use my link down below, you can claim up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses, and also a 10% cash back on trading fees, which is going to look like this in your spot account basically, and you will always see every single transaction that you take, you will get cash back on your trading fees, which is a kill for feature, especially for beginner traders. So if you're a break-even trader, you will still make money at the end of the day, which is absolutely incredible. So let's move on to the chart. And right now we've seen this parabolic, well, almost parabolic move from 16,700 all the way to 18,000 right here, right now. And we're currently standing at this very important resistance of 18,000. Let's quickly double check, 18,100. So this white one is incredibly important, and it used to be huge support for us historically, as you can see. And right now, some could argue, well, the only problem I'm seeing, that the volume is quite low, but in this instance, it could actually start building up. So what we're currently potentially seeing, this double bottom formation, and right now we're actually at a neckline of this formation. And with this very positive CPI, again, we're gonna talk about the negative outlook that is still looming around the corner. So again, watch this video till the end. You already know what I'm gonna say. So we have this potential double bottom formation, and if it's gonna be breaking the neckline on this positive, very positive CPI, it could put our target at about $20,000 right in this order block, which is also very important, between this red line and the blue line right here. So this could be the order block of our interest and the target for this pump right here. However, and again, this is what we've been expecting, and this is the reason why I actually bought 30 Bitcoin not that long ago, and I'm gonna link a video right here, because again, if it would go down, it's still a spot trade, so I actually have it in my ledger. So, and I bought 30 Bitcoin somewhere right here, so I'm already in a hefty profit just from this small move. Well, but because it's 30 Bitcoin, it's like $500,000 position. And again, I have much more Bitcoin. I'm just buying as we go lower. And now the big question of this whole video, is this going to end up being another fake out? Because historically, actually guys, and this again, the juiciest part of the video, because we've seen this so many times before, and we had these hopiums on CPI and PCE being even more important for Fed than CPI. And we've had these instances where we were showing some bullish momentum, everybody was so happy, and then boom, something else happened and we dropped down. Some bullish momentum, drop down. And then also before, so we had these, you know, staircase of move down so many times. And is this going to be another case of buy the rumors and actually sell the news? And quite frankly, guys and girls, let's go to a smaller time frame. I'm going to give you my opinion in just a second. If we're going to go into a smaller time frame, for example, let's say 15 minutes, and we're gonna see a very interesting picture that here is this level. We're currently fighting for it, and right now we're actually starting to drop. So in a short-term perspective, it looks like it could actually start to try and reject it. You know the volume, I turned off the volume anyway. So it's not looking that good just as of yet, but I think what's most important is that previously we never saw core CPI go down below 6%. We have to look at the obvious things. And you know what's obvious? The obvious here is a short trade. But again, before you say anything in the comments, watch this video till the end. Why am I saying that the short trade is obvious? Because, see, that's what I just discussed. Hopium, pump, then dump. Some kind of hopium, pump, then dump. And we've had this, look, so many times. Also here, also right here. So it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be like fifth or actually sixth time when this would happen. And what are the chances that this is going to again turn into buy the rumors and sell the news type of an event? Can it turn out to be one? Yes, but for me, I think it's too obvious right now that, you know, it's just, I mean, 5 times, because we've made money on these short trades. And comment down below if you've made that money together with me, because I told you about all these trades every time when it was going down, almost like every time. So, but in this instance, I'm just thinking, okay, number one, the core one went down. This is what we really expected, and now it's showing that Fed is doing a good job, sort of. But at the same time, like, what are the chances that this short trade, again, buy the rumors and sell the news, is gonna work out for the 6th or the 5th time in a row? It just seems to be, for a market, when something is too obvious, usually the market does the opposite. So this is what I'm starting to think. So I think that there is a bigger probability that on this news, on this CPI, we could actually at least, you know, break this whole downtrend at least a little bit and kind of make this double bottom formation actually play out, and us seeing the target of about 20K per Bitcoin. I'm interested in what you think, so let me know that in the comments. Really tough spot right here, but definitely this reading on CPI is very bullish, at least in a short-term perspective. But remember, guys and girls, that this is very important for all the Karens who are saying, oh, Thomas, you're always bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. That's not the case. Short-term perspective, this is quite bullish. Long-term perspective, I remain very bearish for 2023, because 0.3 reduction in core CPI and going from 6.0 to 5.7 is still very far away from 2.0, which is the Fed's target. So the terrible shit could still be around the corner, which also, understanding of this could also suppress the price right now, by the way. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Check out this tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin properly with proper risk and money management. And also on the 15th is the last day of minus 40% discount on my university grade trading education. Link also down in the description. As always, peace and love, Thomas Krallo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.